Hi, welcome with yet another video of AI Maths Buddy, where we try to understand how toppers think when they are solving a problem. In case they are not able to solve it, what do they do? What goes into their mind? So today we are going to take chapter of continuity in class 12, and I'll click on class 12. I'll take continuity, and then I'll take IIT mains question. So this is the first question. And first pause this video and try to solve it on your own. Let's assume you have tried it and you have not been able to solve it. So what the question is saying is it has defined a function for x less than 0 to be 1 minus cos 2x by x square, x is equal to 0 alpha, x greater than 0 beta under root 1 minus cos x upon x. So he's saying if f is continuous at x is equal to 0, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. At the very beginning, I must tell you that this question is having multiple concepts. So they are testing your trigonometry. They are testing your continuous checking. They are also testing whether you understand continuity or not. So let's say we are not able to solve it. Say I am the topper. I am not able to solve it. And I click on say 6. Oops. So this is incorrect. Now I want to understand how should I solve it. So the first helping question is, for the function to be continuous at x is equal to 0, the left-hand limit must exist. Evaluate the limit x approaches 0 minus 1 minus cos 2x upon x square. Now, firstly, I must tell you that I am not here to give you the answer to this question. I am here to help you understand how does people who are not able to solve a problem, who are good at maths, how do they do it? What do they think? So firstly, if I'm not able to understand even this, it means I don't understand continuity. It means I have to again go back to the continuity chapter. I have to again read and understand that theory and solve a basic few questions. In continuity, what we do is we say that as x approaches d0, from left hand side and from right hand side, both the values should converge, should be equal to alpha. So first we will starting with evaluate the limit x approaches 0 minus. So we will be starting from the negative side from 0 minus, and we will be trying to evaluate the limit of 1 minus cos 2x upon x square. If this thing is not clear, then you need to go to the limits chapter and understand how to calculate the limit. It is important that you understand this thing. Solving multiple questions won't help. Identifying where I'm weak, where I'm not able to solve it, that's important. So now I have to understand, I have to get this limit x approaches 0 minus. Now, say my limit concept is also weak. And say I click on, say, 0. Now, I can do two things in this side. First, I can actually understand how to calculate the limit through this understand the concept, where it will break this question into 5 will be questions and help me understand. If you want to go that way, you can do that. Or you can simply see the answer because you just want to understand this question, but this is not recommended. But let's see you do it. So 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Here, your trigonometry is getting tested. If you do not know the formula, then you must revise the formulas all again, all the trigonometry formulas, because they can come anywhere. Then he has substituted 1 minus cos 2x with 2 sin square x. And accordingly, he has calculated that limit x approaches 0 minus is sin x by x. Sin x by x as x approaches 0 minus is 1. If you don't know even this, sin x by x is 1 as limit x approaches 0 minus, then you again need to go back to basics. You again need to check all the formulas of limit. Right? So let's suppose you have got it and you understand that as x approaches 0 minus, this value becomes 2. So that means for continuity, alpha will be 2 because as x approaches 0 minus, it's 2 and x at x is equal to 0, alpha is equal to 2. Now it will show me the right hand question, second helping question, where it will be approaching from the right hand side. Now he is saying this also should equal alpha. what will be the value of beta? So we know that x alpha is equal to 2, and now we have to find the value of this. If you've understood so far how to calculate the limits and what is the trigonometric formulas, you should be able to do it. It's a second test of what you have learned so far. If any of the thing you have not understood well, say limit, how to calculate the limit, or the trigonometric formula, go back again and revise those again. So say I am not able to understand this, and let's say I click on this. Now again I have two options. I can just see the answer, or I can go deeper into that concept. But let's say I just see the answer. So 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2, which I substitute here. And using that, I get beta is equal to 2 root 2. Repeating again, I'm not here to give you the answer. I'm here to help you understand where should I revise more, where should I work more. If it may be possible that you know the limit concept very well, you know the limit formula, but this trigonometric formulas you may not have done now, or you may have forgotten. Then it is important that you revise these formulas for few days again and again, so that next time when the question comes, you can easily do this. Let's come to the third helping question. Now he is trying to test you whether you understand the continuity. So he is saying if the function is to be continuous, then limit x approaches 0 minus is equal to limit x approaches 0 plus is equal to at f0. So this is very important. And in case you don't understand this, please go to the theory again and read it. And here I'll take this because you know that this is the answer. Now the fourth helping question is find the value of left hand limit, which is given by this thing. So we know that this will be, so say, we know that we have calculated this earlier. Find the value of the left hand limit. This was 2. And so alpha will be 2. So we are able to solve this problem through the helping questions. And in the helping questions, we have seen that either we should be knowing all the trigonometric formulas, or we should be knowing how to calculate the limits when x approaches 0 minus and x approaches 0 plus. And we should also be knowing the formulas of limits, like sin x by x as x approaches 0 is 1. Unless and until we are very thorough on these 3-4 concepts, we will not be able to solve it. You should evaluate which of the concept is weak and solve few questions, not 100 questions, say 4-5 questions of that concept, so that you do not forget it again.